Yes, children, today we shall start with Think, Discuss and Write, page 115 of the topic Triangle and its properties. Okay, let us start with question number 1. How many altitudes can a triangle have? So let us first draw the triangle and see. I have drawn a triangle and I'll name it A, B, C. Okay, now we'll draw the altitude. Let us take the vertex X, opposite side is BC. Let us draw altitude from A to BC. This point is D. Now let us take the vertex B, opposite side is AC. Let us draw an altitude from B to this BC. Altitude means you are making a right angle, perpendicular. Now this is the third vertex C, opposite side is AB. Let us draw perpendicular from C on AB. Okay, so what do you observe here? This is one altitude AD, another is BE, and third is CF. So we conclude that a triangle has 3 altitudes. Alright. Now coming to the second question. Draw a rough sketches of the altitudes from A to BC for the following triangles. Okay. So these triangles are given to us. These 3 are given. We have to, and they are labeled also ABC, ABC, ABC. Now we have to draw altitude from A to BC. So this is A, opposite side is BC. We draw an altitude. Let this point be D. This is acute angled triangle. Now in this figure you see we have to draw altitude from A on BC. So when we have to draw from A to BC, we have to extend this BC. Let us extend it. Now when we are drawing perpendicular, A to BC means it is this. Understood? So AC is the perpendicular from A to BC. This is one of the sides of the right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. Okay. Now we come to the third figure of an obtuse angled triangle. Now we have to draw altitude from A on this BC. So what we will do, we will extend BC like this. Now we draw altitude. Altitude means perpendicular you have to draw. So from A you draw altitude like this. This point is D. So here AD is the altitude. Here AC is the altitude. And here AD is the altitude. Am I clear to you? Yes. Let us proceed to the next question. This question number 4 is, can you think of a triangle in which 2 altitudes of the triangle are 2 of its sides? So we can always think of a triangle. It is a right angled triangle you see here. A, B, C. Now if I have to draw an altitude from A to this BC, what we will do? We will extend this BC, and when we are drawing altitude from A means from A we draw perpendicular like this. So this is one side. Now let us take the vertex C. Opposite side to vertex C is AB. So we have to draw perpendicular from C to AB. So for that what we need? We need to extend AB. Right? Now from C, when you make perpendicular on AB, it comes like this, no? Right? So what do we observe? That in a right angled triangle, the two sides are the two altitudes of the triangle. So we write here, in right angled triangle, the two sides AB and BC are the altitudes of the triangle ABC. Got it? Now let us see this one. Question 5. Can the altitude and median be same for a triangle? मतलब ऐसा कोई ट्राइंगल है हमारे पास जिसमें अगर हम ऑल्टीट्यूड्स भी बनाएं और मीडियंस भी बनाएं तो वो ऑल्टीट्यूड्स और मीडियंस दोनों सेम हो. ठीक है? सो लेट अस ड्रॉ एन इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल. ये दिस इज एन इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल. बेटा इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल क्या होता है? वो ट्राइंगल जिसकी तीनों साइड्स की लेंथ सेम हो. ठीक है? सो नाउ लेट अस नेम दिस एज ए बी सी. अब हम पहले मीडियन बनाएंगे. मीडियन क्या होती है? लाइन जॉइनिंग द वर्टेक्स एंड मिड पॉइंट ऑफ द ऑपोजिट साइड. ये वर्टेक्स ए है, इसके ऑपोजिट साइड बी सी है, तो हम इसका मिड पॉइंट ढूंढेंगे. मान लो इसका मिड पॉइंट ये है. ठीक है? तो मैंने इसको ज्वाइन कर दिया, इस पावर पॉइंट को मार्क किया डी. अब हम वर्टेक्स सी पर चल रहे हैं. ए बी का मिड पॉइंट ढूंढते हैं. सपोज मान लो ये मिड पॉइंट है. मैंने सी को, इसको मार्क कर देते हैं ई. अब इसको हमने ज्वाइन कर दिया तो हमारी सीई एक मीडियन बन गई. Now we take vertex B. Opposite side is AD. Let us find the midpoint of AC. Say suppose this is the midpoint. Okay, we mark it as F. Now we join BF. ठीक है? So what do we see? AD, BF and CE are the three medians of the triangle. अब हमने medians बना ली. अब हम इसी ट्राइंगल में ऑल्टीट्यूड्स बनाते हैं. अच्छा, अब ऑल्टीट्यूड हम शुरू करते हैं ए से. अब ए से हमें ऑल्टीट्यूड बनाना है बीसी पर. सो अब हम क्या करेंगे? विल ड्रॉ परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम ए टू बीसी. परपेंडिकुलर बनाओ. ये देखो 90 डिग्री हो रहा है. बना दिया परपेंडिकुलर 90 डिग्री. अब now we take the vertex B. Opposite side is AC. From B we have to make perpendicular on AC. Let us make perpendicular on AC. ये देखो ये 90 डिग्री बन रहा है. अब we take this vertex C. Opposite side is AB. Now we draw perpendicular from C to AB. Let us draw. See, 90 degree बन रहा है. So what do we observe? That in an equilateral triangle, all the three medians are all the three altitudes of the triangle. So in equilateral triangle, all the three medians are the three altitudes of the triangle. Now in the second case, we take isosceles triangle. Let us draw isosceles triangle. This is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle क्या होता है? वो triangle जिसके दो sides equal होते हैं. Let us name this as P, Q and R. These two sides are equal. Now let us take vertex P. Opposite side to vertex P is QR. Let us draw median from P to QR. The midpoint of QR is this, say. Now join it. Let this point be X. Okay. Now from here again let us draw the perpendicular. What is perpendicular? That means altitude line joining the vertex and perpendicular to QR. So let us draw the altitude. Again, when you draw the altitude, you find that it is the same line. Okay. So in an isosceles triangle, we find that this is the only altitude and median which is same. Suppose we take this P point. Let us try to find the median. Midpoint of PR is somewhere here. Okay, you join it. Name it Y. So QY is the median. Now from Q, if you have to draw a perpendicular on PR, that is, you have to make an altitude. So see, how will you make? This is 90 degree. But see, these two are not same. Similarly, when you do for this, it will come like this. So in case of isosceles triangle, only one altitude and median is same. So we write here, in an isosceles triangle, only one median is same as its altitude. Okay? Now we come to question 3. I missed out this question. Let us do it now. Will an altitude always lie in the interior of the triangle? If you think that this need not to be true, draw a rough sketch to show such a case. इसका मतलब क्या है कि क्या तुमको लगता है कि ऑल्टीट्यूड्स हमेशा ट्रायंगल के इंटीरियर में होंगे? अगर नहीं लगता है तो ऐसा केस शो करो कि जिसमें ना हो इंटीरियर में. Okay, now let's start the question. Let us draw a right angled triangle. Okay, this is a right angled triangle. Now we have to draw a perpendicular from A to this BC. So what do? We extend this, and when we draw perpendicular from A to BC, it comes like this. Okay. Again, now we take point C, and from C we have to draw perpendicular on AB. So what do? We extend this line, and now we draw perpendicular on it from C. When we start drawing the perpendicular from C, it comes like this. Okay. So what do we observe? That in this case, the two altitudes are two sides of the triangle. So in right angled triangle, the two sides of the triangle are the altitudes. Okay, in triangle ABC, AB and BC are the altitudes lying on the sides of triangle. Now let us take an obtuse angled triangle. Let us draw an obtuse angled triangle. Okay, let us name this as A, B and C. Okay, now we have to draw altitude from A on BC. So what do? First we extend this BC. Now from A we draw altitude. When you draw altitude, it comes like this. Okay, let this point be D. Again, if we have to draw perpendicular from B, we have to draw on the opposite side AC. Okay, now then we have to extend this AC. Now we extend it. Okay, let us draw now perpendicular from B to this extended line AC. So let us make the perpendicular. Okay, see, this is 90 degree. Let this point be E. Now you see that altitude AD and altitude BE, they both lie in the exterior of the obtuse angle triangle ABC, and the point of intersection O orthocenter, that also lies in the exterior. So here we write, in an obtuse angled triangle, the altitudes BE and AD lie in its exterior. Okay, obtuse angle triangle ABC. Okay, so in an obtuse angle triangle ABC, the altitudes BE and AD lie in the exterior of the triangle. So with this, think, discuss and write on page number 115 is over. From the next class, we shall start the exercise 6.1. Okay.